Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today. This is just a shortcut tutorial follow up on the Easy Runner Grand Jumbo tape applicator. I know I have already posted for both the recollection and this one, but I wanted to just go over and let you know where we're at with that one. So when I had the last video, I did advise that this one was giving problems. And basically it is still giving problems. I did have some new tape. I succeeded in using it, but this is the issue I'm having. So it wouldn't run. So as you see, it's giving trouble to run, and this is what it's doing. So then now I have a busted piece because I wanted you to see for yourself. I have a busted piece and this is absolutely of no use to me. So I think, thank God, this was the last one I had. So if you see here, right now, this is just, I don't know, I guess it derailed or something. But yeah, that's what I've been having, with it. So I'm not sure if I want to go ahead and keep investing in this, getting more refills. Um, but again, if anyone knows of any other jumbo rollers that are, well, they have used for a while and have not created any issues and they're happy with it, please go ahead and post in the comments below so that the rest of us who are looking for one will be able to find one that is of quality and will not go out before the 2-year mark is out. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys on Sunday. Bye-bye.